Hey guys,
What's happening, guys? What's happening?
Veggie Itao soup. We teamed up with Love Food Hate Waste for this
Man.
video.
As grandma always tells us, don't waste no food.
Just me.
Isn't it, Nanny?
Oh, come on, what's on this?
That's right.
That's it. You know, things like potatoes,
Yeah.
you know how we're always peeling it.
Yeah.
And what happens to that?
No, yeah, it's
That's what I'm
true.
saying. Where's it go?
Is it
So, can't we eat it? We can still eat it, that's what I'm saying.
You know, we worry about the dirt and all of this stuff that might be on the veg. That's why we peel it off. But
Good for you,
it's
man.
good for you. It's the
Yeah,
best
man.
part of the veg. It's the most nutritious part of the veg as well.
Saves a lot of time and saves the environment as well.
It's true, you know.
Veganery, innit? Or veganery.
Veganery.
Veganery. So it only makes sense to make
It's
something.
veganery, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, man. Market,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Went to our local market in
45
Fortney.
Street.
Yeah, man. Fortney Pie Street.
What did we get, bro? What did we get?
Sweet potatoes, fresh spinach, garlic, onions, carrots, okra as well.
Yeah.
Don't waste food, guys. Love food, hate waste.
That's right.
Don't peel them potatoes and put it in the
That's
bin. Put it in your soup.
That's right. Hashtag completed.
Yeah, man. Completing, guys. Don't waste enough food.
You get me? No, throw it away.
You have to blow it, man. See how to make it eat that. Eat it the same way.
Oh,
Nice, yeah? See what I'm saying?
bro,
I don't need to taste it now.
it's the flavor, you
The
know.
flavour.
Yes, good.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah.
vegan, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
very nice.
Now, maybe you can turn vegan now.
Yeah,
You can be a vegan now, yeah?
take me a long time before. Got some plenty vegetable,
Yeah, man.
and that's good for us.
Yeah, man.
Not meat.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
It's very nice.
Very
The
nice.
flavor's nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's very
yes,
nice.
it tastes good. It's not enough salt, not in it, but it's alright.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not